Hello everyone. I hope you have completed exercise 5.1 and today we will discuss about argent plane. What is argent plane? And we know about Cartesian plane. Okay, x-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash, and these axes are perpendicular to each other. Suppose I want to plot 3 points on it, so we will take 2 axis 2 and y is 3. Okay, so this point is 2 3. If I want to plot 4 5, x is 4 and y is 5, suppose there. And if we want to plot complex number on it, then this is called complex plane. This is called complex plane or argent plane. And we know that 2 plus 3 iota, this is complex number. We can write this in order pair 2 3. This is minus 2 4. This is minus 1 minus 3. This is 1 minus 4. And this will be 0 plus iota. We can plot also on argent plane. So this is x is 0 and y is 1 because iota in 1 into iota, coefficient of iota is 1. So B part is 1 here. And this we can write 0 minus 1 into iota. So this point is 0 minus 1. So we can plot these points on argent plane and these complex number on argent plane. So this plane is called complex plane. Now if I want to plot 2 3, so x is 2, y is 3 here. If x is minus 2 plus 4 iota, minus 2, x is minus 2, y is 4. X is minus 2 here and y is 4. So this one. X is minus 1, y is, this point is minus 2, 4. And x is minus 1, y is minus 3. So x is minus 1, y is minus 3. So here, so this point is x is minus 1, y is minus 3. If x is 1, y is minus 4. X is 1 here and y is minus 4. This one. Clear? If x is 0, y is 1. X is 0, y is 1. So this point plot, this point is 0, 1 and this represent iota on number line. Okay? On argent plane. Same. Minus iota, we can represent minus iota in also in argent plane. So this is 0, y is minus 1. So this point is 0, minus 1 and this shows minus iota on argent plane. Now, what is the modulus of complex number? Suppose z is equal to x plus iota y. Modulus of z will be x square plus y square and we have discussed in the last video. So how we will find modulus of z? Suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin. Okay. Suppose if xy point is here, this is xy point. Okay. That means value of x is x here and y is this. Okay. Then what will be modulus of z? This point is z. Okay. And this point is z. And modulus of z means magnitude of this from origin. Value of this from origin. So we can write modulus of z. How we will find that? This is a right angle triangle. This shows right angle triangle. This angle is 90 degree. So according to Pythagoras, this is base. This is perpendicular. We can find hypotenuse. So modulus of z we can represent base square plus perpendicular square root. Hypotenuse means base square plus perpendicular square root. So this is modulus of z. This represent modulus of z. So according to look at exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2 question number 1. Z is equal to minus 1 minus iota root 3. We have to find out modulus and argument. We will discuss argument later because in this for finding argument we have to use trigonometry, third chapter. So we will discuss later this question and second question. We will do polar form in next video when we will do trigonometry. So I am doing just modulus. Okay. So in this part, question number 1, first part, z is equal to minus 1 minus iota root 3. So if I want to find out modulus of z, then it will be, this is x, this is y. X is minus 1, y is minus root 3. So minus 1 whole square plus minus root 3 whole square, it will be 1 plus 3. It means 4. 4 square root. 4 square root is 2. Modulus is always positive. Magnitude we have to take always positive. So value is 2. You have to do same questions of second part and third part yourself. Second part is z is equal to minus root 3 plus iota, and third part is only second part is here. So you have to find out modulus of this function, okay, this complex number. Now we will discuss about quadratic equations in exercise 5.3. What are quadratic equation? We know that whose power is 2, okay, whose highest power is 2, whose variable power is 2, degree is 2, that this is quadratic equation. So in first question, x square plus 3 is equal to 0 given, we have to find out value of x. So we know that if x square plus 3 is equal to 0, we will take x is equal to 3 is in right hand side, it will be minus 3. Then x is equal to plus minus root 3, and we know that minus root 3 we can write root 3 into minus 1, okay, and this will be root 3 into minus 1 square root, and minus 1 square root is iota. So it is plus minus root 3 iota. So two roots are there. One is root 3 iota, other is minus root 3 iota. Same in second question, this is quadratic equation given in which we have to find out x. So in this we will find by quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This formula you have done in 10th class 4th chapter. So same formula we will apply here. So x, what is a? Coefficient of x square 2. What is b here? Coefficient of x 1. And what is c? 1. So what is x here? Minus b. What is b? 1. Plus minus b square means 1 square. Minus 4 into a is 2 here and b is 1. So put the values of a, b, c in this and find out answer. So it is minus 1 plus minus 1. 1 square is 1. 4 2s are 8. 1 minus 8 is minus 7. So minus 1 plus minus 7 square root will be root 7 iota. So what are the roots? Minus 1 plus root 7 iota upon 4, and other is minus 1 minus root 7 iota upon 4. In 10th class we have done questions when d is greater than 0 and equal to 0. In these question d is less than 0, d is discriminant, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. If d is less than 0, then no real roots. It means complex roots, it means imaginary roots, okay. So in this exercise we will do all question, and answers of all questions are complex numbers, okay. Now question number 7, you will do third, fourth, fifth question, okay. Now question number 7, root 2 x square plus x and plus root 2 is equal to 0. What is x here? What is a here? Root 2. What is b? 1. What is c? Root 2. Then what is the formula of quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We will put the values of a, b, c in this. Then we will get minus 1 plus minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 into root 2 into root 2, 2. 4 2s are 8. 1 minus 8 minus 7. So minus 1 plus minus root 7 iota upon 2 root 2. This is values of x. Now come to question number 10. X square plus x by root 2 plus 1. Firstly I am taking LCM here. Root 2 is LCM. It will be root 2 x square plus x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Root 2 x square plus x plus root 2 is equal to 0. This is same as 7th question we have done. Okay, same equation is here as 7th. So you will find the answer. Answer is same as 7th. Okay. Now come to question number 9. X square plus x plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 0. After taking LCM, we will get root 2 x square plus root 2 x plus 1 is equal to 0. So what is a here? Root 2. What is b here? Root 2. What is c here? 1. So what will be x? Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. It is root 2. It is root 2 square minus 4 into a is root 2 and c is 1. Okay, after solving we will get root 2 square is 2 and 4 into root 2 is 4 root 2. And we can take 2 common from here, root 2 common, we can take root 2 common from here. So we will take root 2 common. Then it will be 1, and if we will take 2 common from here, it will be 2 root 2. So root 2 common, 1 minus 2 root 2 inside. So root 2 common from these two. Root 2 cancel with root 2. What is answer? -1 plus minus 1 minus 2 root 2 upon 2. So this is answer. You will do remaining question of this exercise yourself. If you have any problem, then you will contact me.